Well, it's been raining for a couple days, so I forgot to come out here. And I'm already needing to add more boards. I mean, look at this. Even when I add these 2 boards, then it'll still be, I mean, that's a lot more soil in there, but man, I'm excited to see what these bad boys do when the time gets here. So yeah, those potatoes are already, those potatoes are already waist high. And yeah, it's okay, buddy. Waist high. I mean, that's pretty awesome. I just thought I'd make a short video sharing with you guys that. And I want to show you the green beans on the trellis. So here we go. You can already see them attaching themselves. And they're going to crawl up this trellis, which is better seen from this angle. I'm excited. So I guess while we're doing an update, I will do a complete update, though that wasn't my intention. We got 1 squash that's doing good. I'll probably go buy another bedding plant for there and put it over in the trellis. And these guys are very fragrant and good. So here we've got our oregano, 2 different kinds of oregano. Delicious. Our cauliflower is kind of doing, boy, that's a strong oregano. Okay, this one, I don't know what the deal is with this one. That one's down in there. Our broccoli is kind of doing weird things. To me, this is the first time we've done broccoli, so. This tomato that I thought had, or pepper that I thought had died in the frost, is coming back nice. Our dill is doing great. We have actually already had some of the dill off of there. Oh my goodness, look at that lavender. And then of course mint. And then this here is a different kind of mint that has some grass in with it, I think. We'll have to look at that. So thanks for the short little update on our container garden. It's been raining for a few days, so it's way too wet to get out to the big garden. But maybe next time. You can do it too. These containers are inexpensive, easy to plant. I know you can do it. Let's get ready.